another exciting episode of the Algorithm Kitchen.
Welcome back to the Algorithm Kitchen. I'm your host, Chef Al. You know, boys and girls, now that the weather is warm, I wanted to take you outside to my algorithm garden. Isn't it beautiful? I so love coming out here and smelling all the beautiful flowers. Every time we visit the Algorithm Kitchen, we always talk about algorithms. And remember, boys and girls, in computational thinking, algorithms are step-by-step directions that humans and computers can follow. But today, we're going to learn something different. We're going to learn about building models. In computational thinking, building a model is a great way to show others your knowledge of a topic. We're going to combine two computational thinking strategies today, boys and girls, and I'm going to show you how to build a model of an algorithm of how to plant a seed. Are you ready? Let's do it! All right, boys and girls, below you see the model of my 6-step algorithm of how to plant a seed. Step 1, you need to get a pot. Step 2, you're going to put some dirt in the pot. Step 3, put the seed in the dirt and then cover it up with some more dirt. Step 4, get some water and put some water in the pot. This will help the seed start to grow. Once you get to step 5, you got to make sure that your seed gets plenty of sunlight. Sunlight is very important because it helps the plant go through what is called photosynthesis. That's when it makes its own food. Step 6, you can see your plant is really healthy. And that's because you've been watering it, giving it nutrients, and making sure it gets plenty of sunlight. So as you can see, boys and girls, you can build a model of an algorithm of how to do a specific task. By making the model, other people can see it and follow the steps. It's that easy. Well, time for me to go tend to my garden. But before I go, I'm going to put it over to my friend, Penelope the Programmer. And she's going to show you how to use Legos to make a beautiful, buzzworthy project. See everybody later. Bye.
Penelope!
Hi guys, I'm Penelope. Models are things that we can hold in our hands, and they tell us what things look like or how they work. I like using Legos. Legos help me build a model. Do you want to help me build a model of how bees pollinate plants? Yes! So cool! Let's go!
Building models with Legos is so much fun. You need to go step by step, adding the blocks one at a time, following directions very carefully so that it looks exactly like the thing you're trying to model. Then, when you're done with these cool Legos, you can test it by adding some block coding. Look how awesome that is. Oh great, another educational video.
That buzzing sound sounds like my grandma after she eats a lot of beans.
This is yummy.
I'm Batman.
Spread your wings, every bit of fly.
Did you know that?
Mrs. Gratz here to give you an interesting fact about models. Did you know that people all over the world are using models to make their lives easier and better? Like in sports. Sports. They use models or game plans to make sure that the game goes the way they want it to. Imagine a coach walking on the field going, "Just go play Quidditch. Who cares who wins and loses?" That's no fun.
Now you know.
Let's see what Cody's up to. Hey, Cody, what's going on in your neck of the woods?
Cody. Hey, boys and girls. In my 4th grade science class, we're learning all about flowers. my teacher said that we could create a model of a flower to show its different parts. I decided to use Minecraft because I love making digital models. Let's check out what I did to make my Minecraft flower model. Let's go! For this project, I made the flowers outside my house. When building a digital model, it's really important to pay attention to the details. For example, I noticed that sometimes at night, the flowers almost appear pink on their edges. So I decided to add a little pink on the edges of my digital model. This way, my teacher knows that I'm paying close attention to those important details. Man, this flower model is looking really good. But I also have to remember that my teacher wanted me to label my model with all the important parts of a flower. So as you can see, I used some plaques in Minecraft and I added information that I found while doing my research using online resources and my science book. Building models is an important computational thinking strategy. It allows us to show others the knowledge we have gained about a topic. In the digital world, you can use programs like Minecraft, Tinkercad, MakeCode, and Scratch to build virtual models. In the real world, you can also build tactile models. Sometimes I like to use cardboard and Play-Doh and paints to build models of things to show off to my friends. Models are such a great way to show our knowledge. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking at my Minecraft flower model. Bye, everyone!